What's going on, guys? Just going for a morning walk here in Johannesburg at our accommodation. I can't remember what the name of it is now. It's gone blank. Something or other, Palace. It's really beautiful here. You got the waterfall in the background. And just go for my morning walk. And I wanted to talk today about 3 key points that you should try to find to live your day by. 3 points how you should live your day every single day. And the first point is do something that's going to make you grow. What can you do today that is going to make you grow today? Because growth is one of the main key points to happiness, to fulfillment, to actually living a life that you love. And that's what we promote. We're not just building online business here. We don't just build online business. We don't just make money online. The goal behind what we do here with the SFM is build a life and a business that you love, that fulfills you, that lights your soul up, that you wake up every day happy, grateful, inspired, just loving what you do. Okay, so how can you grow today? Growth is a big part of happiness and fulfillment. The second thing is, how can I give today? The second key to happiness and fulfillment is contribution. So it's growth and contribution. So how can you give today? How can you grow today? And how can you give? And who can you give to? And the third thing is, I've just had a brain fart. What is it? What can I celebrate today? Sorry, I had it in my mind and just disappeared. Let me just go back down this way. What can I celebrate today? Which essentially is appreciation and gratitude. Now, implementing these 3 questions to your day, every single day, waking up, going, okay, how can I grow today? How can I give today? How can I celebrate today? Or what can I celebrate today? There's the 3 keys to keeping you in a great state, an energetic state that's going to keep you fulfilled, keep you inspired, keep you happy, keep you walking towards your goals, moving towards your goals, and progressing and achieving what you want. So these are the 3 tips for today in today's video that I wanted to share. How can I grow today? How can I give today? What can I celebrate today? And you know, there's all these little routines that I've been working out lately around discipline and around daily habits and stuff that I teach my team in order to be extremely productive, extremely happy, extremely fulfilled. And these are 3 key points. Now, my last video or my email last night, you would have seen how I was talking about discipline. You know, discipline was the biggest thing in my life to actually get results. So to have the discipline to actually start implementing these things into your life. You know, I don't just hear them go, oh yeah, cool. How can I grow? How can I give? What can I celebrate? Don't just hear them. Actually have some discipline to go, you know what, I'm actually going to try that. I'm going to get up early in the morning. I'm going to go through my gratitudes. I'm going to think about how I can grow today. I'm going to think about who I can give back to today, and actually start implementing into your life. Like right now, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 6 o'clock, go for a morning walk. There's nowhere really to walk except for around the hotel, so that's why I'm doing it. And then I'm on a 30-day discipline right now where I'm doing 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats every single day before I start my day, no matter whether I'm going to the gym or not later on. And you know, having cold showers, all these stuff to push the boundaries, push the limits of the mind, to create that discipline in your life in order to get your results. It's just when you control your day, when you control your life, your day, you control your finances, you control your happiness, you control everything in your life. You just got to start controlling it. You've got to get disciplined. But the 3 key points that I want you to really implement is those 3. Alright, that's today's videos, guys. I have been out, like I said on the last couple of videos. South Africa was quite busy. It was actually really hectic. Had really bad Wi-Fi. We just couldn't upload videos to YouTube. We couldn't send emails. And we're having a hell of a good time as well. So really excited now. I've got a couple of days left here in South Africa in Johannesburg, then heading to London for 3 weeks, which is going to be massive 4 events. So I want to be trying to provide you this 1 daily video a day. So as always, like, share, comment, subscribe, reply to the email, give me some feedback, let me know what else you want to hear. any questions you want answered, and even if you want to book in a call, if you guys are interested in building a business that you love, you're interested in building an online business, but you've got questions, you've got queries, you're not too sure where to start, you're not too sure if you can do it, reach out. I'm happy to get on calls with people who are serious, people who are action takers, people that actually want to take this seriously and actually do want to build a business and life they love. I'm willing to take calls, so make sure you reply this email or get in touch with me on social media, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. All right, bye for now.